Yeah, man, whose sexy kayak is this, man? Look nice, dude. I wonder who's that right there. Oh, it's so. First time sitting on this kayak at Deepwater Channel. What you forgot? Come back over here. Yeah, we're out here. It's me and Sal. The Deepwater Channel. Testing out his new 2019 Outback. Boom. At the Deepwater Channel, Barge Canal, on the Atlas rig. 17 1/4, catch and release. This guy's at 20 inches, 20 1/4, releasing it. Cool. Just got his first striper on a sea rig. On his Outback 2019. And he's gonna land his first fish too. Huh? Decent size? Hold on. Woo! I'll say that guy's like,
20?
yeah, 20 and a half.
Choked it.
Choked it.
On the sea rig.
Hey, I bet you choked on the storm, huh? Yeah. They love the storm, dude. So guys, it's raining out here. Guess what? I got quadruple stripers. Look at that. 2 on each rig. Good size too. This is like a good, like maybe 26 inches. That would be like a 21, 22. That is like a 20 right there. And that's a little 16 inch. Look at that. Woo! This little dink, catch and release. This guy right here. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at this big ass one. Oh my gosh. I gotta take a picture of this guy first before I release it. Catch and release. And then I gotta release these two. Gotta release this guy back in. And the last one, I'm gonna have to take a picture of it and release it. Now I gotta release this guy too. Come on. Well guys, I hooked a lot of stripers. Have you ever had 3 stripers on the Atlas rig, on each rig? So I got 6 total right here. I gotta release them. Woo! Look at that. Caught all 6 at the same time. Now I gotta release these guys too. Release again. I'm not gonna measure them. It's all keepers. All keepers. Release this one. So just 3 more to release. 3 more. Here goes the 4th one. And 2 more. Here goes the 5th one. And here goes the 6th one. Woo! Sal got on his. Keeper? Let's see. Nice. Look at that. Another release. How many striper I got so far? I think over at least 20 keeper striper, dude. At least over 20 keeper striper right now. Just catch and release, man. Look at this. Catching this all day. Look at that. Double. Catch double, triple, all size, all good size. Double and triples all day.
Hella small.
Hella small. That's where all the bites are at from. GoPro, no problem. Boat flip. There you go. Catch and release. Fish number whatever. Lost count. Over 20 fish. Keeper that I released. That is what we do. Deep water channel, striper fishing. Now we're hungry. So hot. Yeah, that's a lot of steam. Look at that. Smells good. Oh, look at that.
I didn't put that much pepper. Control it. Off the pepper.
Look at that. That looks so beautiful.